Hi!
Today we're going to be making some tiramisu. First, start off with 1.5 cups of coffee. Then add 2 tablespoons of Bailey's coffee liqueur or marsala. This is optional. Mix them together and set aside. In a large bowl, put in 5 egg yolks and pour in 125 grams of granulated sugar. Put the bowl on top of some simmering water and start mixing them until the sugar dissolves and the custard thickens. Also, when the temperature reaches around 6 to 8 degrees, you can pour the mixture in a large bowl. When cool, add in 425 grams of mascarpone cheese and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix them together. Now get 1 2/3 cups of heavy cream and mix them. When mixed, add in 1/3 of the mix of the whipping cream onto the custard mixture and stir them until incorporated. Add in the other 1/3 and mix them again. Finally, add in the rest of it and mix them all together. Now dip your Ladyfingers into your coffee mixture and put them in a large glass container. After that, you could put your custard and whipping cream mixture on top of it. After filling all your layers, put it in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Then, after 6 hours, dust in some cocoa powder and serve.